But let's talk about another great macrophylla hydrangea right here. This is Hydrangea macrophylla Pink Dynamo, and it's part of the Bloomin' Easy program. Now, what's so great about this plant is not just the wonderful foliage that you can see. It's got green, but it's got that red color mixed in. It's the fact that this plant buds up very quickly, has a beautiful lace cap pink flower that in acid soils like around here will turn more of a purple or bluish purple color. It's a compact, really nice plant in the landscape, grows well in full sun or half a day shade, but this is Hydrangea Pink Dynamo, and the best thing about it is that it's really hardy because it's got Serrata hydrangea blood in it, so it's hardy to zone 4 and it'll bloom in zone 4. So Hydrangea Pink Dynamo, try one of these babies this week.